Back over now to meteorologist Braden Seal on this Thursday morning. Hi, Braden.
Yeah, good morning. Looks like another cool start to the day out there as those temperatures down into the 40s and 50s across much of the area. Right now here in Tyler, we've got clear skies and temperatures in those mid 50s with winds from the south at about 6 miles an hour. And as we look at what we're seeing for you across the region, there's really not a whole lot going on. A little bit of cloud cover across portions of the state, but that is about it this morning. More of us are in those 60s and 70s than we were seeing yesterday. The cool spots are here in East Texas and up into the Panhandle. As we look at East Texas right now, we do have some 40s out there, particularly the eastern half of the area. As you move back to the west, that's where you find some 50s, even some 60s once you start heading closer to DFW. And those highs this afternoon are going to be climbing likely up into those 80s as we go through the day. So a very warm afternoon is expected, and then lows tonight will be warmer down into those upper 50s and lower 60s, of course, rather than the 40s that we have out there. Those rain chances will be on the rise. A 50% coverage tomorrow, especially later in the day, and then we'll look for a 90% coverage as we go into the day on Saturday. And then we'll look for chances to start to diminish as we head into Sunday and Monday. And here's a look at Futurecast. And it does show this model in particular, maybe a chance at some showers and storms tomorrow morning. Now, some of the other models aren't showing this, but we'll have to watch and see if that actually does come to fruition. But regardless, the best opportunity for some showers and storms will be later in the day tomorrow into early Saturday morning. And then we'll get another heavy wave of some showers and storms as we go through much of the day on Saturday. So it looks like Saturday is pretty much going to be a washout if you have any outdoor plans, and then things will start to taper off into Sunday. And here's a look at those rain totals. We're talking about 2 to 3, maybe even 4+ inches of rain in some areas. So we're going to have to really watch here for some heavy rainfall as we go through the next 7 days. And that's why we are under that slight risk for some excessive rainfall on Saturday. The potential is there for maybe some flash flooding. We certainly do need the rain, just not all at one time. And at the same time, we'll be looking at a marginal risk for a couple of stronger storms out there. But again, we do need the rain because we have all these burn bans. Van Zandt County, the latest county to be added to that growing list. And out in the tropics, we're still tracking Tropical Storm Melissa. Right now, those winds are about 50 miles an hour. It's just kind of chilling here in the Caribbean, not really moving a whole lot. And it is expected to continue to move very slowly over these warm waters in the Caribbean, likely becoming a Category 4 hurricane as we go into early next week. So plenty to watch with that system, but no threat to us here in East Texas. Today, we'll have those highs in the lower 80s under partly cloudy skies. And into tonight, we'll see continuation of those partly cloudy skies. 61 is going to be that low temperature. And as we look here at your 7-day forecast, again, we are looking at that potential for some heavy rainfall Friday night into Saturday, and then starting to see that taper off as we head into early next week. And because of the rain, temperatures will be cooler with highs only in the 70s this weekend. Deep East Texas can expect a pretty similar forecast where it looks like Saturday is going to be mainly a washout with the potential there for 2+ inches of rainfall. And for more on that forecast, you can visit us at KETK.com.